I got a mic in my helmet too, so they can hear you. What's this guy doing? We got the triad of CP engines over here. Yeah. It's got like a grunt to it. Well, it appears this light is out. I'm going. What? He leaning back. I got that cruise control now. Nah, dude, I'm still scared of this thing. I'll try one right now, but I'm still scared of this thing for real. Yeah, literally no problem. Yeah, I feel that. That's scary. I'm so scared right now. You shut up.
Oh, that sounds nice. Oh, it smells.
It do be stinking. We're gonna go right here though. Yeah.
Yeah, the wheelies are feeling.
I mean, I said right, and this guy went left, but that's all right. We can go straight too. Actually, let's go on the highway. We'll go straight and get on the highway for a second.
Or we could just go right.
Or we can just go right. Yeah, we could just do that.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. I was like, yo, wait, why are you going that way? Hey, I have a few friends that don't know their left and right, so I was just kind of normalized by it. You have a quick shifter, it's just like, you just want to hear it. You just want to go and, yeah, you just want to go and hear it and bang through the gears. Yeah, I think it's a guzzler.
Oh, up in the curb. Making a beat for us, bro. Look at this guy's here. Howdy, brother. I always wave to people.
He's ready to go. He's ready to go. Oh my God. Why they got cones back here though? Oh, trees are down right here, that's why. Yeah. Dude, get a picture in front of the taken down tree. Should look like somewhere I'd summon a boss at. Oh, it's for the Wright brothers.
The Wright brothers, yep.
I like that this person stopped right at the entrance.
Yeah.
What are we doing, folk?
Honestly sick.
Okay, I'll go around then. They're both on their phones.
What if...
They sound pretty Our bikes low-key sound similar.
Yeah, a little bit. Oh, they could. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's a couple of birds. They're out. Is he just sitting there? He's just chilling there, sitting. That's funny.